Home hacks everyone with common sense actually uses. 1. Put a can lid on your finger when chopping vegetables. It protects your hands from cuts. 2. Cut off the hook of a hanger, fold it, then bend it outward into a right angle and a simple phone stand is ready. 3. If you hate wearing long socks, just fold and flip them like this. Long socks instantly become sporty ankle socks, comfy and easy to style. 4. If kids at home love playing with the faucet, just cut a bottle in half, cover the faucet and tighten the cap. Faucet locked, kids defeated. 5. Don't throw away empty spice jars. Draw a circle around the handle, cut it off, trim the edges and seal them with heat and you get a free mini spatula. 6. Poke 2 holes in a bottle cap, thread a damaged cable through, glue it hot, fix the cable like new. 7. Old tailors never say this out loud. Slide the zipper, pull into the middle of a fork, and the broken zipper is back like nothing happened. 8. Slide a spoon through the cabinet handle gap, loop a rubber band around it and the door is instantly locked. No drilling, no tools. 9. Door won't close by itself. Hang a water bottle between a hook on the door and one on the frame, and voila, the door shuts automatically.